Why is my iPad not downloading apps? In order for you to fix this issue, let me head over to one of the official articles which is gonna guide you with the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix it. So this is one of the official articles from the Apple itself. So if you cannot download or update apps on iPhone or iPad, the very first thing you wanna do is to manually update the app. Head over to App Store, search for the application and then update it. Once done, you need to add a payment method. You might need to have a valid payment method on file, even if the app that you want to download is free. Once the payment method has been added, it should fix the issue. If not, resolve a problem with your payment method. If the message says billing problem with previous purchase or verification required, then you need to resolve it. After that, the next thing you want to try doing is prioritize the download. From the home screen, touch and hold the app, and from the menu that appears, choose Prioritize Download. It should fix the issue that you have been facing. And once done, try restarting your device. After that, you will be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.